Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Mailchimp for email campaigns, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Mailchimp website. Log into your Mailchimp account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on the Campaigns tab in the main navigation menu. To create a new campaign, click on the Create Campaign button located on the right side. Select email from the options that appear. You will be prompted to name your campaign. Enter a descriptive name that reflects the purpose of the campaign. Next, choose the audience you wish to target for this campaign. Click on Add Recipients to select your desired list or audience segment. After selecting your audience, proceed to the From section. Here, fill in the sender's name and email address that recipients will see. Click on the Subject section to craft an engaging subject line for your email. Consider using action-oriented language to increase open rates. After entering the subject line, choose a preview text to complement your subject. Continue to the Content section by clicking on Design Email. Select a template that suits your campaign's goals and style preferences. Edit the chosen template by adding your content, images, and branding elements. Make sure to include a clear call to action in your email. Once your design is complete, click on the Review button. Check for any errors and ensure all links are working correctly. After reviewing your email, click on the Send button. You can choose to send it immediately or schedule it for a later time. Confirm your settings and click Send Now or Schedule. Your Mailchimp email campaign is now set. Monitor the campaign's performance by returning to the Campaigns tab. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.